G'day guys, Clint here from Quicksand Flooring. Today's job, we are washing and re-oiling a beautiful Jarrah deck that we sanded and varnished about 4 years ago. We did the initial sand, stripped it all back to raw and re-oiled it. Now every year we come in for the client, we give it a wash and we apply a fresh coat of WOCA Exterior Oil in a bit of a custom mix of mine. I'm going to keep it a trade secret. It's 150 square meters. It consists of 5 decks scattered around the property. There's the large deck around the pool and then a few small little decks, as you can see the one behind me at the front door here. With our maintenance service that we offer our clients, or if you're going to be doing the maintenance yourself, you can only do it if there is a penetrating oil. You can't do this if there's a film building product, some sort of Cabot's Aqua Deck or something along these lines. Products are not compatible. But if your deck is completely worn, there's no product on, it's just grey, then you can just give it a real good scrubbing, couple of coats of WOCA, and you're good to go. And yeah, come with us and watch what we do. Let's take this off. All right, WOCA cleaner. You can mix it up in a 1:2 ratio or a 1:10 ratio or anywhere in between. I personally like a quarter. So we've got a couple of litres of cleaner. Pour that in to our container. All right, and then we'll take our water. It's 50-50, it looks 50-50. And now pour that back into here. And it's all mixed. Always lift off. If I just stop and then pull back, see the mark I get? It's always lifting off. Beautiful. Done, finished for another year. So that's it. The decking is all done for another year. We've given it a good clean, put a good coat of WOCA down. We'll let this dry. The customer will be able to put their furniture back in. I'd probably tell them to give it 3 or 4 days. We don't like to put the WOCA on when it's a super hot sunny day. It dries too fast. If that was the case, then we'd either do it early in the morning or last thing in the afternoon. Today, we're a bit overcast. So yeah, this is all done for another year, and we'll see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe our channel. It really helps us out. If you guys are liking what we're doing, give us a thumbs up and it will really make Madeleine's day.
No.
Yes, that's what you're getting. That's what you're getting.